Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can organize your projects in Alight Motion. So I'm just going to choose a few that I want to delete just to make it more organized, and then I'm just going to rename the projects. For instance, this one, I'm just going to select it, click on the project name, and then change it here. And then you're just going to go back, and then I'm going to again do it for the whole, for like the rest of the project. Sorry, for instance, this one, Taylor Swift, and then the last one, Valorant. Oops, sorry. And as you can see, I sorted them out by dates, but if I want to sort it out like alphabetically, I can just click here to settings and then project sorting to name. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!